Hello friends, welcome again. Do you know who Matthew Woodward is? Let me tell you. Matthew Woodward is an SEO specialist and international speaker. He has posted around 250 articles related to search engine optimization and link building. He has helped thousands of businessmen to gain visibility on search engine. He has been awarded 8 international awards for his effort in digital marketing. So back to the point, how I came across Matthew Woodward. So let me introduce myself. I am Piyush Jain, doing digital marketing since 15 years, that specifically in affiliate marketing. So back in 2007, I was working on a project and the keyword which I was supposed to rank on Google, it was really high competitive. So I made a new site and I did all SEO, whatever I knew at that time. And I pulled my website from nowhere to rank 10th, and the site was jumping from 10 to 12 like this, and I did everything but the site was just moving from 10 to 12 every time. So at that time I thought that there must be something which I can do what my competitors are not doing. So at that time I came across the gray hat part. So after this, while researching this gray hat SEO, I came across a software that is known as Search Engine Ranker. And when I saw that software, that was a giant, that was a beast. And you know, to handle a beast, you need a training. So I thought that I will use this software and I started researching on Google that how I can use that software. At that time, there were not that much of article about that software. See, that software was, the people call that software as a black hat, and they generally don't reveal what it is all about. At that time, I find Matthew Woodward article. I read the article and he explained those things in such a easy way that I got to know. And then I refined those things and applied that on my website, and I ranked. And my in couple of weeks, my website started ranking. And within, I think, 3 to 4 weeks, my site was at the rank 1. So from there I understood that ranking a website is in your hand. Just writing a good content and waiting for Google to rank your website doesn't work. You have to do link building, that also strategically. That is how you can rank a website. So what I learned in these years about link building, about PBNs, about tired link building, I want to share with you. And for doing that, I have created a course that is digital marketing course from zero to hero. In this course, there is a specific module about advanced link building. In that advanced link building, I'm teaching you how to create PBNs, how to create tired link building. And believe me, if you apply this PBN and tired link building on your website will rank. It has to rank. It either it can take some time, but the site will going to rank. Remember this, just writing a good content on a website and waiting for Google to rank doesn't work. You have to create links. You have to create backlinks. That is very important. And I hope this video will going to help you. Go and check out Matthew Woodward's site. You will find very interesting article and you can read and learn about link buildings. And if you have any question related to link building, related to PBN, tired link building, anything, you can ask me here and I will going to help you. Best of luck. Bye.